Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be playing around with chocolate and a little bit of trail mix. And then I'm just going to get a little bit in here. And for the first little portion of the video, I just want to get this chocolate right up to the top. So get it in here and paint it in. So just get in there, and you can see with a large brush, this goes very easily and quite quickly. So just get in there, just paint, paint, paint. Let's see how I'm getting down there. You can just dab, 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 just like that. And then at this point, you just want to start adding in your little trail mix. Then to make this super easy, I'm going to take my dark chocolate and just put it into one of these really inexpensive piping bags just to fill these up. So here we are, piping bag, and you can just see how easy this is. You could do this with a spoon as well if you want, and then just fill it up. Just give it a little bit of a tap. And that's perfect. So let's break into one of these. You can see how good the silicone is, how nice it just comes out. Very nice. So let's move these off to the side and get that right in the middle here. Let's just cut into this. I'll turn it around and just show you what it looks like inside. Look at that. Oh, but look at that. All of that nice dark chocolate. And we've got our almond and our raisins. Oh, that looks really good. Of course, I've got to go for a little bite. That is really, really good. Beyond amazing. If you like chocolate and you like peanuts and you like raisins and you like almonds and cashews, you've got to try this out. It's super, super easy to do and really delicious. So that's it for today's really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.